Today, we're taking a look at this indoor LED hydroponics growing system, and it does 12 pods. I'm going to answer all the questions you could possibly have about it and show you everything that you get inside. So this is what we're going to get right over here. That's what comes in that box. It comes in bubble wrap. Everything you're going to need is going to be right down below over here. So we're going to put that up a little bit, and then we're just going to pick this up right over here. And this is kind of where all the instructions are. We got some stickers here. We got the pods. I'll show you up front in just a second. We got this piece right over here. And of course, we have a power source right over here. A lot of people want to know, can this grow more than just herbs? And yes, it can. You could do leafy greens, small vegetables, cherry tomatoes, peppers, strawberries, stuff like that. So let's take a closer look at what we get here. So right over here is the base itself. This has a 4-liter water tank, and it has automatic water circulation pump that runs every 30 minutes. So the refilling will just really depend on what you're growing and what's going on. So we got this right over here. Inside here, we're going to have our little baskets over here, our pods right over there. And then we have some plant food as well. So I'm going to kind of get this set up and then show you everything you need to see. Real easy to set up right here. We're going to take this piece right here, just going to connect it right there. We're going to run this under just right over here. This is going to be your source. And then we're literally just going to pop that on right over there. Now this is going to be your control. You could set the time. You could do all that stuff just like that. And then you'll see here, this is going to be the button right over here. That's going to control your lights right over here. So that will turn them on, turn them off. I'll give you a better sense in just a sec. So this is kind of what the lights look like right up over here. You have 3 different modes. You have a smart full spectrum, and then you have a mimic natural sunlight as well, which is really, really nice. And just you have everything will be controlled through here. Like you said, you have the automatic water as well. So here's the next step here. So once we have everything, we have this top right over here. There is a wire back here, and there's a little slip for this right over here. So you want to make sure you put that in. And then what you would do is you would take these right over here, and then you would just put them in just like that. So you could see right over there. Just right over here, we'd get them right in just like that. And then you'd put your little soil pods in there. And then you, depending on what you were doing with them, and then you would be off to the races and good to go. And then you'd have a complete hydroponic setup. Really easy to set this up. Literally, you just plug this in. This arm right over here is adjustable, so it does go up or down. So if you want it more close up, you could do that. If you wanted it up higher, you could do that as well. So that's pretty much a breakdown what you're going to get here. So you're going to get 12 of these right over here to go in here. We got the plant food A, plant food B right over here. We got this right over here. These little stickers. We got your pods right over here. We got some of these cups here for seeds, and we got the instruction system. So if you are looking for a hydroponic growing system, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.